Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to increase or decrease the size of entities in a sketch. For this, we will use the Scale Entities command. Now let's go to the Move Entities command and click on the drop-down. From this list select the fourth option, Scale Entities. Now under Entities to Scale, we will select the entire geometry. Left-click and drag your mouse to select all the entities that you want to scale. Then select Scale About, and click on any point that you want to take as a reference. Then specify the factor of scale. If we select 2, that means all the dimensions will be multiplied by 2. If we select Copy, then it will keep the original geometry as well. If you don't select it, only the scaled geometry will be visible. Click OK. This is how we can increase the size of geometry. Now we will see how to decrease or reduce the size of your geometry using the same command. Again select all the entities, and go to Scale Entities. And select a point for reference. Now this time your factor of scale will be between 0 to 1. I will type 0.5, that means all the dimensions will be halved to generate the new geometry. Uncheck Copy. Click OK. This is how we can decrease the size of geometry in a sketch. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.